So hello everyone, I'm here with Arun Krishna and we just finished our roundtable CSCO session and it were quite some interesting topics, right? I mean, people were very engaged in the journey that you explained, that it was not just the technology enablement, but also the people. And there were quite some questions about that change management and how to upskill people. Can you
Yeah.
highlight a few of those questions to the audience?
Yes. So great moment. Thank you, Philip, for the
Oh,
opportunity.
thank you
Good to
very
see
much.
you
Thank you. Oh, it was
in
very
sunny
nice experience, very
in sunny
authentic, right?
Florida.
Yes.
So yeah, the way to think about the change is always look at change end to end.
Right.
Technology, process, people and skills, data, and also business context. Right. When you think the supply chain as a business. You have all the elements that define the supply chain end to end, and also how you look at finding problem, solving problem, creating capability,
Yep.
and also solve for the best objective that wins for the enterprise and the business.
Indeed. And there was one person in the back of the room that was, I would say, wondering about how you would combine this agility in deployment with still co-innovating and putting priority on, for example, Unison IQ or AI initiatives, right? How do you manage? Because I think the audience would love to know the secret, right?
Exactly. It's again about mindset, right? The two mindsets. One is running the business for today's performance, co-innovating and creating the business for the future growth. So what I call is today the three axes of time: today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So
Yes.
always think about how to push the curve of innovation. And I'm so happy to say our company mandate is grow through innovation.
Yep.
So when it comes to innovation in supply chain, it can be process innovation, data innovation,
Yep.
technology innovation, how to think about role innovation. So the different constructs of innovation where you can think about agility, flexibility. For example, how do you think about from task to decisions?
Yep.
How do you think about from workflow to guardrails?
Right.
How do you think about linear thinking to exception-based thinking? How do you think about human judgment and decision making? Right. So it's all aspects of innovation in the supply chain
Yep.
where it's nothing but problem finding, problem solving, and creating solutions.
Yep. And maybe a final question, anything that resonated with you heavily today during the Gartner presentations, keynote or other presentations?
First, I should say it's a great recognition for AstraZeneca. It's a
Absolutely.
proud moment for the team, the company, global operations, and the entire team behind this mission. We are on our journey for self-healing supply chain of the biopharma industry, and we want to be a game changer and to be the number one in this mission.
Fantastic target.
So it's a
Absolutely.
great target,
Yes.
and doing it in a growth environment that creates a lot more success, happiness, and also a catalyst for change and driving for the future.
Well, thank you very much, Arun, and
Thank you,
thank you
Philip.
to the entire AstraZeneca team to make this happen as well, right? Because it's a
Yes,
huge
it's a
team
huge
effort,
team
right?
effort. It's a
Absolutely.
team sport,
Yes.
and I take this opportunity to thank our EVP Pam Cheng, our global operations senior leadership team, and the entire community of global operations supply network.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.